brace yourself. If you're a proud Galaxy S25 owner, September isn't likely to bring good news. Some might even call it a major letdown. It's not just rumor mongering. Recent reports suggest a wave of frustration could be coming your way. But here's where it gets controversial. The disappointment isn't just about Samsung. It also exposes a bigger headache for the entire Android ecosystem. All this unfolds just as Google's shiny new Pixel 10 takes center stage, flaunting the latest software upgrades. According to credible sources, Samsung is gearing up for a significant software update this month. But, and this is the part most people miss, despite early expectations, it won't be the much-anticipated One UI 8. Instead, Samsung is pushing out a substantial patch that's set to launch before One UI 8 officially arrives. The real kicker? This update might take a while to land on every device, creating even longer waits and growing impatience among users. What does this mean in practice? Well, while Pixel users are already enjoying the full benefits of Android 16 security and privacy updates, Galaxy S25 users are left waiting in the wings. This situation throws fresh light on a long-standing debate. Is it fair for Google to hold a time-to-market advantage over other Android manufacturers, especially when it controls both the operating system and its own hardware line? Some say it borders on unfair competition. What do you think? Is this an uneven playing field? Tech outlets have echoed these warnings, emphasizing that Samsung's next update, though potentially packed with improvements, won't deliver the One UI 8 experience everyone craves. So, what's actually included? At this stage, the details remain under wraps. Security bulletins for both general Android users and Samsung-specific devices haven't yet been released, leaving users in the dark about what to expect. However, one thing is clear. Samsung typically takes weeks to distribute its updates across different markets and models, unlike Google, which pushes updates to Pixels almost instantly after their monthly security briefings. The situation gained more attention after well-known Samsung insider Tarun Vats hinted on social media that the upcoming September patch for One UI 7 could tip the scales at over 1 gigabyte. He called it likely the final patch before the transition to One UI 8. So while something big is coming, it's not the upgrade everyone's been holding out for. Here's the wild card. Will Samsung manage to deliver One UI 8 before October? Or will S25 owners have to wait even longer? No official timeline has been shared, and user confidence is starting to waver. As some experts point out, the longer this next monthly update takes, the farther away One UI 8 feels for those eager to stay ahead of security and features. Now, here's the question that's bound to stir debate. Is it time for Samsung and other Android brands to adopt faster, more transparent update schedules? Or is there a technical reality here that consumers need to accept? Drop your thoughts below and let's see where the room stands. Are we expecting too much, or should brands be held to higher standards?